Hey besties, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about something you might have never tried. Hint, it is something delicious. It is the grilled cheese aspiration. This aspiration is available through Base Game so everyone can try it. I'm going to be showing you how to unlock this aspiration and what you can do with it. So let's jump right in. First step toward achieving this is to get cooking. Have your Sims make 3 grilled cheeses in a row, eat them, and you'll have unlocked the aspiration. Now you're on your journey toward Melt Master. There are 3 stages to completing this aspiration. Most of it is eating grilled cheese or talking to others about grilled cheese. Things get a little interesting for the last stage though. I was a little shocked that they would choose these, but it made me laugh and I knew I'd have a lot of fun doing them. Angel meeting Grimm and going to space will be a lot of firsts for her, but she's always ready for a new adventure. To talk to a Sim about grilled cheese was a little hard to find. I thought it would pop right up, but it didn't. I had to look for it. It is a friendly interaction, more specifically about interests, and you should see it. Angel literally gets so excited about grilled cheese and talking about grilled cheese. Kiyoshi might even be getting a little jealous. Completing this aspiration will let you summon grilled cheese and paint grilled cheese, which we will test out once we've completed the last and hardest steps of the aspiration. Are you ready? Okay, besties, you know I've become obsessed with post packs, so I used my teleport to summon Grimm so it would be a little easier to get this part going. Let me know below if you'd like a post pack video with more details on how it works. Angel and Grimm chatted it up and became good friends really quick. They talked about grilled cheese, and of course, our photo queen Angel needed some photos of her meeting with Grimm. How freaking adorable are they? I love these photos so much. Chalky, our city sheep, is living his best ranch life and always bouncing around bringing people joy, even when they are working on their toughest projects. This was one of the longest and hardest parts, building the ship to eat the grilled cheese in space. Luckily, Angel had a lot of help and worked through the night on it. Her love Kiyoshi made her space-bound grilled cheese as a celebration present. How cute. The trip to space was long but well worth it to complete the aspiration. Angel is our first Avila ever to go in space, and I love that she felt inspired by the space cheese. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's just in my game, but I'm able to summon the grilled cheese, but it doesn't appear in my Sims hand or inventory, but only in the household inventory, which is strange to me, so let me know below if it's the same for you. So now that we have the reward trait and we're officially certified grilled cheese queens, we can paint the famous grilled cheese portrait. We will defs put this up somewhere in the future when we renovate the interior of this absolutely stunning ranch. Would you like to see this renovation video in the future? Let me know. I always have so much fun doing those. I hope you had a great time learning how to unlock this aspiration. I know I sure did, and Angel had a great time as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.